is homeownership to me is financial freedom and financial stability. It's like the best savings account I think you could have ever, from appreciation to just protecting your monthly payments that you spend on those bills. So I think that's where it starts.
To me, being a homeowner means being the root to longevity of generational wealth.
Homeownership means to me having a sense of security for my family and being able to build up my credit to help buy more homes if I want to. So.
Homeownership means to me stability for me and my family, and also for my children so that they can grow up in the same home, with a yard, with the neighborhood, with kids in the neighborhood, and just having that peace that we own our house and it's ours forever.
What does homeownership mean to me? Well, there's so many people in the world who aren't in the position to purchase a home, and unfortunately there's so many people who will never be. So homeownership is an accomplishment within itself. I remember when my husband and I, when we closed on our house and we got the keys, I remember being filled with a great sense of pride, and it just felt really good to have a place to call our own. I've always wanted to host parties and holidays and stuff, but I never really had the space to do it. But this past Christmas, I was able to host my family, and I felt really good. But on top of all of that, what I would have to say, the biggest thing about homeownership for me is that it's a tool for generational wealth.
Home ownership means to me that you can build equity while your property values increase, and that gives you the allowance to create your own space.
Owning a home is more than just finding one and putting your stuff in it. Owning a home is about building a home. It's about having a place for you and your family to rest their head, to feel comfortable in. If you look, I'm in the woods right now, but I'm actually at home. You see, my home is in the country because I wanted a house that wasn't surrounded by people, but was surrounded by trees instead. And I took the time to find that. And I know that can be hard for some people, but your home matters. It's not just about how much it costs or what it looks like. It's about how it makes you feel. And I'll tell you, every time I come home, I feel safe. I feel secure. I feel at home. There it is.